Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at our radio in our Ford Ranger. In particular, we're going to be looking at Sync 3 version 3.4. I'm currently on version 3.0. Last week I did version 2.0 to version 3.0, so if you missed that one, check out the link above. Click on that one, but today we're going to be focusing on 3.0 to version 3.4. So if you don't want to miss this one, guys, stick around because we'll be back very shortly just after this. Alrighty, so you just have to excuse my nice old singlet. I'm very attached to this singlet, so yeah, let's just focus on what we're doing today, shall we? So if any of you don't know, I have a 2016 Ford Ranger Wildtrak, and I am based here in Australia. So the mapping system that I'm going to be using is the ANZ, which is Australia and New Zealand. Okay, so if you've never done this before, the first thing that you need to do is get yourself a laptop. In particular, probably a Windows laptop is going to work a lot better than a Mac. I had issues last time upgrading my radio. When I used a Mac, it just didn't work, but I went onto a Windows and it worked perfectly. So if you can, grab a Windows and it should work fine. So I guess first things first, let's show you what I did on the computer.
It's just too hard to move when you're standing right there. It's just too hard to walk away and leave it like that. Can we give it one more night? Just one more night. One more night. One more night. Just one more night.
Okay, so once you've done everything that you need to do on the computer and you're back in your car, you've started her up and you've got your USB in your hand, first thing you need to do is plug her in. So as you can see, I am on Sync 3 software version 3.0, build 20092. Alrighty, let's just plug in the USB. So my USB is down the bottom here, my Ford Ranger. Stick her in. Let's just go to audio. See if it recognizes it. There you go, she's updating the system software. Just go straight to restarting the system. She should switch off in a minute. You may now, actually I think you just leave it in, there you go. So don't remove it when it says that. Just leave the USB stick inside. There you go, there's the new screen. Now this is probably going to take, they can say anything from 30 minutes to an hour. So I'm not going to bore you guys by looking at this screen. So I'll record it just for a little while, just so you can see what happens, and I will fast forward to when it's done. So make sure you stick around. Okay, so we're almost 15 minutes in, and this is just extracting the voice nav package. So I'm not sure if there's more after this. It'd be great if there isn't. So I reckon we should be about because I reckon we'll be around about the 30-minute mark. Just to let you know as well, my USB that I am using is a 32 gigabyte USB. Okay, so we're 19 minutes in and the update was successful, and it says to please remove the USB. So let's do that, shall we? Let's remove it and then see what happens to the screen. It should shut down and restart itself. Let's turn that down. Oh, there you go. Sync 3 version 3.4. How easy was that?
Language set to English.
Okay, so it says installation in progress. Some features will continue to be disabled until this process is complete. Please keep the update USB in the system and the engine running so that it can complete. So from what it's saying, I need to put it back in. So let's put this bad boy back in and make sure that it Okay, so as you saw before, my navigation maps never updated, so I just went back to the computer and did another download, came back out, my car was locked, and I put the car back on, and lo and behold, my maps have come up. So that's great. So let's have a look and see what version we are on. So there you go, you can see the navigation maps is working now. Let's go to settings, let's go to general, scroll down to about sync, and let's go down to the maps. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Navigation maps version ANZ 1 of 19. You beauty. Yep, so I thought it didn't work, guys, but looks like I just needed to be out of the car for a little bit longer. So yeah, just if it doesn't work for you, get out of the car, lock her up, leave her be for a good 10 or 15 minutes. I was probably gone for a good 20-25 minutes, and yeah, she should be working. No dramas at all. Alrighty, so there's another video done, guys. I hope you liked it. Please give us a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one, eh? Till then, bye bye.